Image editing for engaging presentations. Hello, language learners. In today's lesson, we will delve into the fascinating world of image editing tools. These tools can help you create stunning visuals and multimedia content to make your presentations more effective and engaging. Today, we'll focus on 3 popular image editing tools: Photoshop, GIMP, and Canva. Before we dive into the tools, it's important to understand what image editing is. Image editing, or photo editing, involves altering or enhancing images to improve their aesthetic appeal or to communicate a particular idea more effectively. This might include cropping, adjusting brightness and contrast, removing unwanted elements, or adding text overlays. Powerful visuals can make your presentation stand out, enhancing both the understanding and the retention of information. Now, let's move on to our first tool, Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop is a comprehensive tool, widely used for its advanced image editing features. With Photoshop, you can adjust colors, blend images together, create intricate designs, and so much more. The software is known for its in-depth editing capabilities, but it might be a little intimidating for beginners. However, with practice and patience, Photoshop can be a powerful ally in creating visual content. Next up, we have GIMP, or the new image manipulation program. This is a free, open-source image editing tool that can be used for tasks such as photo retouching, image composition, and image authoring. It is quite similar to Photoshop in terms of features, but being open source, it allows for more customization. GIMP is a good alternative if you're looking for a no-cost solution with robust features. Finally, let's talk about Canva. Canva is a user-friendly, web-based design tool. While not as feature-rich as Photoshop or GIMP, Canva's strength lies in its simplicity and convenience. It offers thousands of templates for different types of visual content, which you can easily customize with your own text, images, and colors. Canva is ideal for beginners or for those who need to create visually appealing content quickly. And that's a wrap on our introduction to image editing tools for presentations. Whether you're using Photoshop, GIMP, or Canva, remember that the goal is to create engaging visuals that enhance your message and hold your audience's attention. As with any tool, practice is key to becoming proficient. So go ahead, start experimenting and have fun designing. Until next time, keep learning and keep creating.